There's about 20 mourning doves and probably 10, 12. This is where I sit. This is my bird feeder right here. My birdarium, I call it. Yeah, I know, whatever. I know it's not called that way, technically, but I technically don't give a crap. So here it is. My cardinals all are. They all the mourning doves. Holy moly, a lot of them. I counted 15, I think, the last time I looked. All my cardinals seen me. They took off, except these two. Yeah, there's a few mourning doves. Oh, and my handprint in the window, because it's like no degrees outside right now. Yeah, my cardinals are everywhere. There's one up top. Hey guys, come on in, fellas. It's a party out here. Woo! Fight, buddy, fight.